Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an AirPods user, you know how awesome they are for convenience, but let's face it, the audio quality could always use a little boost. Well, today I'm going to show you the ultimate hack that'll elevate your listening experience to a whole new level. So grab your AirPods and let's get started. First up, let's talk about audio settings. Did you know that your AirPods have built-in sound optimization? Head over to your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app, tap on Accessibility, and under Hearing, you'll find Audio Visual. Here, you can adjust the balance between left and right audio channels, making sure you get perfect sound in each ear. But we're not stopping there. Next, head to Settings, Bluetooth, and tap on the eye next to your AirPods. There you'll see an option for Spatial Audio. Turn that on. Spatial Audio creates a more immersive, three-dimensional sound experience as if you're in the middle of your music or movie. It's going to blow your mind. Now here's the game-changer third-party apps. Apps like Equalizer Plus or Boom 3D give you full control over your AirPods sound profile. These apps let you tweak the bass, treble, and overall soundstage to match your personal preferences, making your AirPods sound like premium headphones. But wait, we're not done yet! For the best sound quality, you want to make sure your AirPods are clean. Dirt and earwax can seriously mess with your sound. Gently clean your AirPods with a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. This will keep those drivers working at their best. And lastly, let's talk about firmware updates. AirPods are smart, and Apple frequently releases updates that improve performance. To check if yours are up to date, just go to your Bluetooth settings, tap the eye next to your AirPods and check the version. Make sure they're running the latest firmware to enjoy optimal performance. So, there you have it, the ultimate hack to boost your AirPods audio quality. From sound settings and spatial audio to third-party apps, cleaning, and firmware updates, you'll be able to experience your music and podcasts like never before. Excited Tone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tips. And hey, let me know in the comments how you like to tweak your AirPods for the best sound. I'd love to hear your tricks. Until next time, happy listening.